Hello everybody, today we're going to make chicken. So I'm going to use peri-peri sauce. It's going to be in the oven this time. It's going to be oven meal. So I'm going to put the chicken. So we're going to put the going to put the sauce. The sauce looks nice. And I'm gonna get the tongs and then just mix it on all of it together so I can cook really nicely. So So we're going to use this to cover it up because it gets a bit whoops. So we're going to tin foil on here so it can cook in the oven. So I'll put the oven on. So I'll put the oven on soon. So just put this stuff off here. So we're going to put it in here. So like that. Thank you for watching how to make nibbles and rice. This is not a recipe. It's just I just used Nando peri-peri sauce. Subscribe. Push the notification bell for more videos down the line. Running is out. Bye. I just took it off the nibbles.